wonderful super friends. It's me, the Supergirl. Look at this special place. It's where we learn about our incredible feeling superpowers. Did you know that inside each of us, we have a whole team of amazing feelings? They help us understand our world, and they help our grown-ups understand us. Today, our mission is to become feelings detectives. We're going to use our faces and a super special mirror to find out what our feelings look like. So find your own mirror at home, or just look right into my eyes, because your screen can be a magical mirror too. Are you ready to see your amazing super faces? All right, super detectives. Our first feeling is one of my favorites. It's the happy face. Happy is that sunshine feeling you get inside. Maybe when you get a big hug, or you see your favorite puppy, or when you hear a funny joke. Can you think of something that makes you happy? Okay, let's try it together. Look in your mirror. Can you lift the corners of your mouth just like mine? Make a big, wide smile. Let your cheeks go up, and let your eyes sparkle and shine. Yes, that's it. You've got it. Now, let's say it together. I am happy. One more time. I am happy. Doesn't that feel good? Happy feelings help us laugh and play and share joy. You're doing amazing, feelings detective. Sometimes our feelings team needs a little comfort. Our next feeling is a sad face. Sad is when something feels a little ouchy in your heart. Maybe when you miss your grown-up, or your toy breaks, or you don't get to do something you really wanted. It's okay to feel sad. Let's try this one. Look in your mirror. Can you let the corners of your mouth turn down just a little bit? Let your eyebrows relax, maybe even droop a little. That's it! Sometimes our eyes even get a little watery when we're sad. Can you say, I am sad? I am sad. And guess what? When you feel sad, it's a superpower, because it tells your grown-up you might need an extra cuddle or a comforting word. It's okay to feel sad, and it's okay to ask for help. Let's give our sad feeling a gentle wave goodbye for now. Bye-bye, sad feeling. Uh-oh, our feelings team has another important member. This one can feel big and strong. It's the mad face. Mad is when you feel frustrated, like when your blocks tumble down, or your friend takes your toy, or maybe you just don't want to do something your grown-up asks. Feeling mad can make your body feel tight or hot. Let's look in the mirror. Can you scrunch up your eyebrows? Make a little frown? Maybe even make your mouth a tight line. Like this? Sit! Now say it with me. I am mad. One more time. I am mad. Wow, that's a powerful feeling. And feeling mad is a superpower, because it tells us something is important to us, or something isn't fair. But when we feel mad, we have a special trick. Let's take a deep breath power up together. In through your nose, out through your mouth. They are all part of your amazing feeling superpower. And when you know what you're feeling, you can use your superpower to know what to do next. Next time, we're going to meet a very special friend, Deep Breath Bear, who has an important trick for when feelings feel too big. You won't want to miss it.